Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. First, let me congratulate you for your all efforts that you are making in these days. Okay, though the time is quite tough, you might feel very bored at your home due to some extremely tough situation, but still, whatever you are doing, that is completely well appreciated. Okay, and don't worry, this time I used to say always this line that ये वक्त भी चला जाएगा. So definitely ये time भी चला जाएगा and we'll going together once again in our class and we're going to enjoy our learning. Okay, so till then just stay calm and enjoy the video lectures. Okay, now you might have noticed that I have not mentioned the title of our chapter in the first slide. Mostly I used to mention the title in the first slide only. So you might feel that, madam, you have done a mistake that you have not mentioned the title of our chapter. But no, I have done this completely intentionally. Why so? Because today in this video I would like that you guess the title of our next chapter. Okay, don't worry, I will going to provide you two hints for that, and then after you have to guess the title. So are you ready all? Let's get started. Let me show you the first hint, that is beautiful, delicious food that you love the most. Yes or not? Okay, and one of those food is nothing but the pizza. Yes or no? Would you like to eat this pizza hot and sizzling, or instead of that just closed in a container and completely cold? Which one would you like to prefer? Yeah, definitely you will going to speak that hot sizzling pan pizza. Yes or not? Okay. Now I would like to ask you one question, that with the pizza, out of these three, which one is the most suitable thing? Either a hot coffee with hot sizzling pizza, or a hot lemonade, or should I say hot Coca-Cola with it, or very cool, delicious ice cream. Which one is the most suitable? Yeah, definitely you will going to speak that to choose cold cola or lemonade with it. Yes or no? Okay. Now we are moving to the next one. Yeah. This photo shows you the sweater, campfire, and AC, LG AC, dual inverter. Advertisement कर ली मैंने भूल भूल में. Okay, so in this slide you can see that basically our life is completely depending on season. In the right now the monsoon season is going on, so you are going to wear raincoats and using umbrella whenever you are going outside. Okay, on the other hand, in the winter season you enjoying the hot spicy food by gathering at farmhouse, enjoying this campfire, wearing sweaters, and completely enjoy the winter season. On the other hand, the completely opposite thing in the summer season, lots of uh, refreshing items you will going to prefer, like lots of cool and refreshment item you will going to prefer as your food. On the other hand, nowadays there is quite high temperature. So due to that reason, now people are going to installing AC at their home. So due to that reason, they are feeling very cool. गर्मी में ठंडी का मजा. Yes or no? Okay. So from these two slide, I think that uh, you have got the title of our next chapter. Yes or no? I think yes. So let me ask you, can you guess the title? On the count of five, on the count of five, I will going to declare the title. Till then, you have time to think about it. Your time starts now. On count of five, four, three, two, one, and your title is, yes, chapter 4, Heat. this chapter is included in physics. Now, why so? This chapter is included in physics because that physics is a branch which is related with the nature, its property, and energy. Okay, so heat is a form of energy. Or should I say that the physics which will going to include different topics, for example magnetism, for example sound, for example light, electricity, structure of atom, molecules, etc, etc. Okay, so that's why this chapter, and heat is a type of energy, and physics always include energy, matter, property, etc. So that's why this chapter is included in physics. Understood? Okay, so today I will going to give you introduction of the chapter. So let's get started. As I already told you in the last slide that our life is completely depending on the seasons, as well as according to that we are going to live and work, and everything is adjusted according to the season. Okay, and also whenever you observe the news channels, at that time also you observe that the weather report is there, and in that weather report they are going to include that today's temperature is this, the higher temperature, the lower temperature is this, then the rainfall will occur or not. Even inside the phone also now they are going to show you the weather forecast that what will happen today, the rain will occur or not, or what is the temperature of the day, what is the wind speed, etc. So nowadays so everything is depending on such things. Okay, so this thing will going to affect our life, and what is this? That is nothing but the heat. You will going to observe that in our daily life this topic or this heat is must. Without it we cannot able to survive. The very first thing is nothing but the cooking. Cooking is not possible without heat. Yes or no? Yeah, definitely. So our life is completely related with the heat. So that's why we will going to learn that what is this, what is heat, what is high temperature, low temperature, what is how this heat can be transferred. Okay, so this thing we will going to learn in this chapter. Okay, so these are the topic, what is heat, what is temperature, how heat can be transferred. So let's get started. For that we will going to perform one activity, and this activity is quite familiar because you have done this in 6th standard also. Okay, so first one, I will going to take lots of ice cubes into one vessel and keep it over there onto the floor, on the desk or on the floor. Now, as you know that at room temperature, slowly and gradually the ice cube gets melting slowly and gradually and turn into the water. Okay, this process is known as melting. Then after, let's take this water and put it onto the stove and switch on the stove. Slowly and gradually the water gets heated, and from that you can see that some steam comes out. So that process is known as evaporation. Okay, so you observe in this activity that we are continuously providing heat to the ice cube, then water, okay, and finally it is converted into the steam. Okay, so as you see that if you are going to provide heat to any object, okay, so it will going to gain that energy and it will become hot. Now on the reverse condition, now I am going to just close the lid onto the vessel. Due to that reason, you can see that this steam will going to condense on the lid, okay, and convert it into water droplets. And when you switch off the stove, so slowly and gradually this water which is completely heated, slowly and gradually it will going to lose the heat and the water becomes cool. Okay, and if you put this room temperature water into the freeze, deep freeze. So at that time what will happen? This water will turn into ice. The very basic thing that you already know. Okay, so what is happening in this reverse situation? In this reverse situation, I am going to removing that heat energy from that water. Then the first thing what I have done, I have just put off the stove. Okay, and due to that and cover the lid. So slowly and gradually from that the heat is getting removed. Okay, and the water becomes cool. Then after I have put it into the deep freezer. So due to that reason, whatever the heat yet stored inside the water, slowly and gradually will going to remove out, and finally it is converted into ice. Okay, so out of this we can conclude that as you provide the heat energy to respected object, it will become hot, and as you remove the heat from that object, then it will become cold. So from that we can conclude one thing. What? That heat is a form of energy. Okay, this we conclude from this activity. You might have understood in the 6th standard that different kinds of energy is there in the world. Okay, just their types and forms are different. For example, sound, it is a kind of energy. So due to that reason you can listen. Okay, heat is a form of energy which makes any object hot or cold. Okay, light is a form of energy due to which you can see the surrounding. Okay, mechanical energy, it is a form of energy due to which your machine gets function. Electrical energy, due to which your bulb gets glow. So you can see that form of energy I'm continuously speaking. So energy is having different types or different kinds, and heat is one of those. So today in this video, what is the most important thing? The first point we understood of this chapter, the core point of the chapter, that is heat is a form of energy. Understood? Okay, even whenever you are holding any person's hand, so at that time you might feel that the respected person's hand is might be cold or hot. Why so? Because the heat is transferring at that time. Now what is this and how it happens, that we will going to understand in the next video lecture. I hope you enjoy this video. Next time we will going to go through about heat and temperature in detail. Till then, keep smiling always. Have a nice day. Bye.